In today's video, I'll show you how to create the perfect split screen effect in CapCut PC. Start by bringing your first clip onto your timeline. Then add your second video on top of it. Adjust the duration of both tracks as desired. I'll ensure they have the same duration. Select the upper clip. Go to Video, Basic. Under Blend, decrease the opacity slightly. This will make it easier to see the video on the lower layer. Position the videos properly to create the split screen effect. You can do that by selecting the top clip, click on it in the player, hold and drag it to where you want it to be. Then select the bottom clip and repeat the same process. Select the top layer, then go to Video, Mask, click on Horizontal to open up the horizontal masking tool. Thereafter, click on the loop symbol, hold and drag to adjust the angle of your mask as desired. If you want a straight vertical line, you want to go for around 270 or 90 degrees. I prefer to have a slight bend on mine. If you're happy with the split, select the top layer, go back to Video, Basic, and set the opacity back to 100. And there you have it, a perfect split screen effect in CapCut. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.